Let's say that your listing on Flippa has successfully completed. That is, someone is willing to buy the app above the reserve price. And so when you contact the buyer, you need to ask them for their name, email address, Google transaction ID, and AdMob IDs, which include both interstitial and banner IDs. And make sure that you transfer the app only after the payment is received. Sometimes Flippa escrow can take up to uh, 14 days for the uh, fund to be available in your account. And I suggest you to use PayPal for transactions because some banks charge you up to $25 if you uh, ask them to transfer the money in your account. So that's it in this lecture. Next lecture we'll go through some advanced stuff. Thank you.